good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra, my channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing alright? Are we okay? We are? Yeah? You sure? Good. Right, this evening I am doing an unboxing, and this box has come surprisingly quickly. It's GlossyBox. I'm just really shocked that it arrived today. My husband sort of knocked on the room door because I tend to work in my bedroom and he works downstairs in the study and my daughter works in the dining room. So we all work in different areas. So he came and knocked on the bedroom door and he sort of said, you got a parcel? And I was like, okay, do you know who it's from? And he said, GlossyBox? And I was like, really? And that was about 10 o'clock this morning. I don't expect GlossyBox to come until like the end of the third week in the month. So yay, GlossyBox. Maybe we're gonna start the new year off well. We'll see. Anyway, for those of you who don't know anything about GlossyBox, GlossyBox is a monthly beauty box subscription. They cost £10. It's definitely one of the more affordable boxes that we get here in the UK. They are also available in the US now, but they charge $21 for the box in the US. It's like, yikes. But there you go. We have got quite a few people in the UK who are part of the Glossy Circle or something like that. They're called ambassadors, so they do get the boxes fairly early in the month, if not at the ending of the previous month. They get the boxes for free for review. I'm not one of those. I'm a person who pays for my box, so you know the opinion I'm getting is definitely going to be raw, it's definitely going to be honest, and I clearly, when I give my opinions of the box, so it's usually my first opinion, my opinions are based on who I am. So who I am middle-aged, I'm a proud 52-year-old. I'm obviously a woman of colour, so I'm of a deep skin tone, and I've got oily skin. So those are the three things I look for inside my box. If the items inside the box don't really suit me, they're not something that I want, they're not suitable for me, or for whatever reason, I will put that item in a giveaway. Each month I do a giveaway, and the giveaway consists of items I've received during the month. So in the month I receive various beauty box subscriptions and some boxes from America as well. So quite a few items, and my giveaway will consist of items I've received in those beauty boxes which I don't want for myself. Occasionally I do buy things specifically to put in the giveaway. So my giveaway for January has already started, and it was kicked off by using the contents of the ASOS box for January. That started off my giveaway for January. So you already know there's 5 good items inside that box. And I've already started to put a few things inside the box from beauty boxes I've already opened. So let's crack on. Let's see what GlossyBox has got for me this month. For those of you who watch my videos regularly, I know I've lost quite a few people because they hate my opinions, especially when I start talking about the non-inclusiveness of GlossyBox. GlossyBox have got a pretty bad reputation for not being a very inclusive brand. They said they were going to work on it, particularly after the George Floyd murder last year, which really started the whole Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter is very a political movement, but the main point of it from a beauty world is that a lot of the beauty companies, they don't cater for people of a different skin tone from white. They don't tend to go much lighter than, well, they don't tend to go much darker than medium. Sometimes they go to tan, and occasionally they even exclude fair. So it's really been a bit of a movement, and I'm a bit of a voice for making sure that beauty boxes do include everybody of all skin tones and all hair types if they can. If they can't do that, then they should clearly state that they're not an inclusive brand. But here we go. So inside this box we've also got a few little vouchers. So we've got something from Grays. They're like the little nibbles, healthy nibbles box. What's this? This looks like a coaster almost. This is that company that gives you craft beers, and this is from Emma. Get 31% off an Emma mattress. I must admit I'm very seriously considering buying a new mattress, so Emma is one of the brands I'm looking at. Here's the box. Here we go. This is the normal box that we get it in. Sometimes GlossyBox do themed boxes, but this is not one of those. Always very nicely packaged on the inside. Yeah, so I'm almost scared to see what's in there because I really want GlossyBox to do well for me personally this year, but you know, okay. Here's the leaflet. We do tend to always get a nice card that has all the information in there. They've got on the back here February sneak peek, and February sneak peek is, what does it say? February is the month of love. If you're eager to pucker up for your Valentine, you're going to want soft, super soft lips. You want to make sure you've got a pout that's kissably smooth. So next month we're bringing you Advanced Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliating and illuminating your lips will have never felt so beautiful. So Avant is one of those beauty brands that have appeared in beauty boxes, particularly in Britain. You now start to see them in American beauty boxes. Very much a brand you find in beauty boxes, and some seriously high prices for their products. There's nothing wrong with the products they have, the quality of the products, it's just the prices are just stupidly high. You know, when one brand will charge, I don't know, £15 for something, they'll charge £75 for it. You know what I mean? It's that kind of thing. But let's have a look and see what we've got going on in here. So they've started off with Happy New Year Glossies. January is all about starting afresh, and what better to take inspiration from the natural world around us. To start off 2021, we're focusing on the fresh and pure and bringing you a selection of powerful yet gentle products that your skin is going to adore. So strip back your beauty routine and showcase your natural beauty within. Okay, let's open this up. So the first product we've got here is from a brand called Daily Concept. It's not a brand I tend to use, but I'll show you the product anyway and see what we've got. So this is a full-size item from Daily Concepts. It is a daily reusable rounds. Did you know you can minimise your eco footprint while still staying on top of your much loved beauty regime? These natural and reusable makeup removal rounds are the perfect solution. These two pads are ideal for all face cleansing and makeup removal needs and ensure there is no longer any need for disposable wipes and cotton pads. Recommended retail price is £6.80. So I've received these things in my various beauty boxes. I have to admit, I tend not to use these. I'm quite happy to use my cloths, my gel cleansers. I'm alright with that. So I might just go ahead and put this in my January giveaway. Let me think about that, because I might keep it or I'll put it in the giveaway. But I'm going to put it in my thinking area for now. So that's the first item. Second item, I think this is the item they gave us a sneak peek of for last month. This is from a brand called E-Cooking. Right, can we see that? E-Cooking. Put it in front of my face. There we go. So this is a deluxe mini and it's a moisturizing serum. So this is perfect for all ages and skin types. This serum gives your skin a likely much needed due to cold weather moisture boost by locking in your skin's natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration. This E-Cooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. So this deluxe mini size, if it's 10ml, is worth £22.50, guys. Full size is 20ml and it's worth £45. Again, so there you go, that's what it looks like. It's fragrance free. I have to admit, I'm quite scared of using anything by this brand. We got a product from them, it was last year, I think sort of towards the beginning of last year, and it was in either the GlossyBox or Look Fantastic box. Can't remember what the product was. All I remember is that the effect on my skin was painful. I just found it really stinging. Was it a skin peel or something like that? I'm not sure what it was, but my skin really stung, and that kind of stays with me. So I'm actually scared of, oopsie daisy, I'm actually scared of using any product from this brand, actually. I know I'm probably being silly. I should probably try them out again, but I know. once bitten and all that. So I think I'm going to stay away from this one, and I'll give this to I'll gift it to somebody. I'm not sure who. I might put that in. I'm creating some boxes to give to people, so I might put that in one of those boxes. They may have more success with it than I do. And I don't really suffer from fine lines because I've got very oily skin, so it's not really a product for me, to be honest. Next is from a brand called Lux Beauty. So we're starting off 2021 on the same vein as last year, using these dodgy brands. So Lux is from that woman. Watch my videos, past videos, you'll know who I'm talking about. So Lux is one of the brands, and this is a brow gel. So we've got a brow gel from her. Let's have a look. Okay, it's all boxed. Here we go. So bow down to your brows for a more natural look. A clear brow gel can trump a pencil or powder. This gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape that will stay put all day. The short brow brush will give you precise placement, whilst the lightweight gel ensures there is no residue when dry. Suggested retail price for this is £16. Okay, I mean, they've made an effort with the box, so that's saying something, because before the packaging wasn't that fantastic. That's what the product looks like. I'm just going to open it up. I mean, it is just a clear brow gel, so there you go, and that's what it looks like. I mean, it's just a clear brow gel, so I can't really complain that that's going to do any harm to me. So I will probably keep that, to be honest. I do use brow gels. I tend to use tinted ones, ones coloured ones. So I tend to use the ones from Benefit. I've had some good ones from Ico, which have been tinted in colour. But, I'll use that. That's fine. Next we've got a brand called Glow on Fifth. This is a brand I've never heard of before, and it's a rose gua sha. Right, that's not what I've got inside my box. Okay. So what I've got inside my box is not the product from Rose Gua Sha. I've got something from Mud Masky, and it's for dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, swelling. Serum infused eye mask. So that's what I've got instead. So the product they were talking about was I don't know what it was. It was a facial massage tool. Oh, I know what it is. It's one of those. Yeah, I know what it was. It's one of those facial massage tools. They look almost like jade, but a piece of jade, sort of shaped almost like a foot. But this one was pink, and then you're supposed to use it to help massage your face. But instead I've got this from Mud Masky. It's an eye mask. I'm going to put this in the giveaway. I know about these products. It's fine. I don't need this, so it's going to go in my giveaway box instead. I'll put some information about the product on the screen, so you'll know what it is. Yeah, but that goes in my giveaway box. Right, next we've got a product from Beauty Pro. It's full size. It's a sheet mask. This is an avocado infused sheet mask. Again, I know this brand. Beauty Pro do they do nice sheet masks, and I do like a sheet mask. And I've had this avocado one before, which is actually quite moisturising. Lots of serum. If you're careful, you might be able to use the mask twice. Just if you're careful in how to do it, you just use it once, massage the serum, and put it back in the packet, seal it up. Put it in the fridge, and you can use it again the next day, or use it down your neck and so on. So this is fine. Intensely hydrating and nourishing to the skin, this avocado infused sheet mask will leave your complexion feeling softer and smoother than ever. Completely plant-based, and with its enriching superfood ingredients sourced from New Zealand, this sheet mask also protects the skin from the elements and aids in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Recommended retail price for this is £4.95. So there you go, that's that product there. Okay, I will keep that. As I said, I do like a sheet mask. And the final product is a hand sanitizer. So this is full size. It's a hand disinfection gel. Your sanitizer is a hand sanitizer gel with 75% ethanol. It kills 99.999% of all germs whilst increasing your skin moisture by 34%. That's why Dermatest certified it as the #1 sanitizer for sensitive skin. It's also a handy size to keep in your bag whilst you're out and about. Recommended retail price is £2.72. So I mean, products like this, fine, very, very useful, particularly now, especially when we're out and about. So, and it's 75% ethanol, so I'm more than happy with that. So I'm going to put this one out in my hallway on my stand so anybody can use it when they come in, or if they want to put it in their pockets or whatever. So that's a very useful product. Okay, what do I think about this box this month? It's a so-so box. It's a box for the start of the year, really. So for what it's claiming to be, it's a decent box. Not the products in there, not everything in there is something that I want. So if I just go through the products there, we've got the daily reusable rounds. I mean, I've kind of decided I'm going to put that in the giveaway box because I know I'm not going to use them, because I know I've got some from another beauty box. I've got 2 or 3 of them and I haven't used them at all. They're still in their packaging, so I will go ahead and put that one in my giveaway box. So for that reason, I always try to score my boxes if I can. If it's a product that I'm going to use, I'll give it a score of 1. If it's a product that I'm not so sure about, but I'm going to give it a try anyway, or I might give it to somebody in my family or whatever, I'll give it a half. And if it's a product I know I'm not going to use, I'm going to give it away. It's a 0. So for that daily reusable rounds, it's something I'm not going to use, so that gets a 0. For the moisturising serum, I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to see if I can give that to somebody. So I'm going to give that a half. It's a case that I don't want it, but somebody else might find it useful. So I'm not giving it away. It's just that I'm going to give it to somebody else. It's a slight difference. So I'm giving it a half, okay? The brow gel I'm going to keep because, you know, they're useful. It's a practical product, so that gets a 1. I didn't get the Rose Gua Charm massaging tool, but I got the Mud Masky eye mask. I've put that in my giveaway, so that gets a 0. The sheet mask from Beauty Pro, the avocado infused sheet mask, I'm keeping, so that gets a 1. And the hand disinfection gel I'm keeping, so that gets a 1. So the products I am keeping are these, so that's 3. Plus that's a half, so we've got 3.5 out of 6 for the GlossyBox in January. Okay, it's alright. It's an alright start to 2021. Don't know what more to say really. It's an alright start to 2021. If you've got your box, did you get exactly the same thing? Was a product for you replaced like mine? There seems to be something that GlossyBox are doing a lot now. I don't think in the last 3 or 4 months I haven't received every product that I've been told I was going to get. Go by the leaflet. At least one product has been replaced in my box for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. So that's something I think GlossyBox really do need to look at. If they're finding that they're not getting enough supplies, then they really need to think about that, because the paying customers are wanting, they want what they're expecting, you know what I mean, or what they're told to get. You know, maybe focus on giving your paying customers the right thing rather than your ambassadors, which you've got a whole load of. I don't know, it's just my opinion, but let me know what you guys think. So for me, this month it's alright, it's okay. But yeah, you tell me what you think, yeah? Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. If you did enjoy my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this. Opinionated. So you know what you got to do, just press that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't mind, leave a comment down below. And don't forget, join me again in the future. So I will see you soon guys. So take care and please keep safe. Keep your social distance from everybody. Make sure you're washing your hands as much as you possibly can, and just keep your distance from everybody. And try not to mingle with too many people outside of your family and your bubble. Yeah, it's the only way we're going to control this thing guys. So stay safe, I beg you. Take care. See you soon. Bye.